Hi everyone, and welcome to another Blade video. Today's topic is what to do after a car accident. When you get into a car accident, there are certain steps you may want to take in order to help make sure everyone is safe, to follow the law, and to get the insurance claim process started. Step 1. Check yourself for injuries. If you're injured, call 911 or ask someone else to do so. If you're seriously injured, try not to move, and wait for emergency personnel. Step 2. Check on the well-being of your passengers. If you're not too hurt to move, check on the other passengers in your car. If anyone's injured, get on the phone with emergency services or ask a bystander to call for help. Step 3. Get to safety. If you're able to, move to the side of the road or a sidewalk. If your car is safe to drive and is causing a hazard where it is, pull it to the side of the road. Otherwise, leave it where it is and get yourself to safety. Step 4. Call 911. Whether an accident is considered a minor fender bender or a major collision, calling the police is important, and in some states, it's legally required. The responding officers will fill out an accident report and document the scene. If the police can't come to the scene of the accident, you can go to the nearest police station and complete a report yourself, according to the third. When you file a claim with your insurer, they may ask for a copy of the police report to help with the claims process. Step 5. Wait for help. Turn off your engine, turn on your hazard lights and use the road flares in your emergency car kit to warn other vehicles to slow down. Step 6. Exchange information. After making sure you and any passengers are uninjured, exchange contact and insurance information with the other driver. According to the third, here's the most important information drivers should exchange after an accident: full name, insurance company and policy number, driver license, type, color, and model of vehicle, location of accident. Step 7. Document the accident. In order to help protect yourself, the third recommends taking the following: identify the officers, take pictures, take down names, get a copy of accident report. Step 8. Notify your insurer and start the claims process. You may want to call your insurance agent while you're at the scene. That way, they can tell you exactly what they will need to in order to process your claim and what to expect during the claims process. Do you agree with our recommendation? Comment down below. We would love to hear from you. An accident can leave even the most seasoned driver frazzled, but following these steps may help protect you from unnecessary worries. That way, you can focus on working with your insurance company to get your vehicle repaired as smoothly and as quickly as possible. If you like this video and would like to help other drivers, please like and share our video. We have a whole library of explainer videos in this channel. And a new video is published every day. Hit subscribe and don't forget the notification bell so you will not miss out on any of our new releases. Only from Blade Auto Center. It's Blade. It's better.